Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to build this awesome LED wave effect using an Arduino and a push button. When I press the button, the LEDs light up one after another, like a smooth wave running across the board. Pretty cool, right? Let's jump right in and see how it's done. Before we start, and you can find more cool Arduino projects and tutorials on my website, sites.google.com/view/Belushi. Here's what you'll need for this project. One Arduino board, for example, the Arduino Uno, 6 LEDs, 6 resistors, 220 ohms each, one push button, one 10 kilo ohm pull-down resistor, and a breadboard with some jumper wires. All easy parts, perfect for beginners. Let's go over the wiring. Each LED connects to one of the Arduino's digital pins, from pin 2 to pin 7, through a 220 ohm resistor. The other side of the LEDs goes to ground. The push button connects to pin 13 and to 5 volts, and between pin 13 and ground, we add a 10 kilo ohm pull-down resistor. This resistor makes sure the Arduino always knows when the button is pressed. Without it, the input pin would float, which means it could randomly read high or low. The pull-down resistor fixes that by gently pulling the signal to 0 volts when the button is not pressed, so it's always stable and reliable. Now open the Arduino IDE and start coding. At the very beginning, we define the pins we are using. Let's start with LED1. Const byte LED1 equals 2. LED1 is connected to pin 2. For the other LEDs, LED2 to LED6, you can simply copy this line and change the pin numbers. And our button is defined like this. Const byte button equals 13. The button is connected to pin 13. These definitions tell the Arduino which pins are for LEDs and which one is for the button. Now in the setup, we define the LED pins as outputs. I'll explain LED1 as an example. Pin mode LED1, output. This means pin 2 is set as an output because we want to turn the LED on and off. For the other LEDs, just do the same thing. Copy the line and change the pin numbers for LED2 to LED6. The button is defined as an input. Pin mode, button, input. It's an input because we want to read its state. High means the button is pressed, low means it's not pressed. In the loop, we first check if the button is pressed. If digital red button equals high, digital red reads the state of the pin. Everything inside the curly braces will only happen if the button is pressed. Now let's start with LED1. Digital write, LED1 high, LED1 turns on. Delay 100. We wait 100 milliseconds. Digital write LED1 low. LED1 turns off. For the other LEDs, you repeat the exact same steps for LED2 to LED6. Each LED lights up briefly and then turns off. So in summary, at the very beginning, define the pins for LEDs and the button. In the setup, set which pins are outputs and which are inputs. In the loop, check if the button is pressed. If it is, make the LEDs light up one after another. There it is, you're a smooth LED wave effect. This is a great beginner project to learn about timing, digital outputs, and button inputs with Arduino. And that's it. Your LED wave project with Arduino is complete. You can find the full finished code and more awesome Arduino projects on my website. If you like this project, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with what project you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.